The reason why it's called breadfruit, you'll see it later why it's called breadfruit. But normally when you get this, you just let the sap run out. That's breadfruit, yeah.
You want a good shot? Get rid of those things.
We're going to attempt getting breadfruit from this breadfruit tree. What's that? Octopus. This is the octopus. Oh, breadfruit tree. If you notice, that's old enough. The sap is coming out. That one is quite old enough.
This is the net for catching fish. But today we will catch fruit.
Yay!
Are you sure you can climb? Amri, this one you can pick up. It's that near. The one on top there, I don't know whether you can. But if you go to the next branch, I think you can catch it lah. Bila jatuh nanti aku tangkap macam ni. Good. Okay. Breadfruit harvesting at Badul. Make sure your dad doesn't fall down. Otherwise he'll be the breadfruit. Cukup panjang lah.
That one, huh?
Yeah. Get the one on the top there. Because if you didn't get it, it will rot. I'm not going to climb and pick it up. Yang paling atas dulu, Rin.
This one?
Yang paling atas dulu.
This one?
Because you're up there, you can catch, you can jump there. Then you get the other two.
This one?
Up there.
That one I will catch. Okay, this one is very dangerous for me.
Huh? Dangerous for you, sir?
Yeah. So for right only, but anyway.
That doesn't hurt.
Hey, careful.
Careful.
Okay, I will try to catch that. As long as it doesn't fall on my head.
What is that?
Don't go near here.
Oh, grandfather,
Okay.
up the tree.
1, 2, 3.
Yeah! I
What?
got it.
Is that coconut?
Yeah, coconut.
It's not coconut.
Breadfruit.
Breadfruit.
What's a breadfruit?
Breadfruit.
That?
Breadfruit.
Bread.
This is just nice.
Huh?
This is just nice for cooking.
Yeah. I don't eat it.
There you go.
Look.
There are two there.
There's a punching bag.
Yeah. This one, it's the sun gets right into my eyes.
Hi, monkey.
Very difficult.
I don't always see that.
Okay. I also cannot see.
3, 2,
Okay.
1,
I'll catch it.
go. 3, 2, 1, go. Come on, 3, 2, 1, go. 3, 2, 1, go. 3, 2, 1. 3,
Balik ni.
it's a rooster. Rooster. Stop.
Okay.
Stop.
Ready, reckon. Ready.
Yeah, I'm ready. You guys are ready.
2, 3.
Fail.
Okay, I turn.
Okay.
Miss,
Okay, another one here.
Yeah, last one.
Last one.
if you lose, you don't have any money.
That one for me.
Okay, for you. Okay. Okay, I'm going to make a turn.
Okay.
Go.
Yay!
You got it. I'm good. It doesn't hit the.
Coconut.
It doesn't hit the floor.
Look, I saw a punching bag.
Yes.
Why is that a coconut?
This is not coconut. No, this is good because it doesn't fall down on the ground.
I can climb.
Then I can pick one down there. Using the brits.
Wow.
Ate, catch. Ate, catch.
Uh-oh.
You don't,
This
you
one.
don't really catch. Yeah, you can take the two. This one is mine. For me to goreng today.
See, now it is an arthrocarpus. The first time I remember about breadfruit was the story of Friday and what's that? Lost. I can't remember the name of it. It's been so long ago. Stevenson.
Who?
And out. See all the saps coming out from the fruit. And there's not a lot of way to do your breadfruit. Mostly you just sort of refry them. Some people make vegetable out of them. This is the breadfruit that we took yesterday from Badul Homestay. A good friend, also Braken, let me climb up a tree and pick this one up. That's reminded me of, good morning, you want to come here? That's reminded me of a story that I read when I was very little. Forgotten about it, but it is Robinson Crusoe. And where do they live? Or where were they? I think it was in an island full of breadfruit and yum fish. Okay, and that really fascinated me when I was a kid. But I did not know what breadfruit was until very late that I learned breadfruit is basically something we regularly have at home, and we call it trap, and it's one of the arthrocarpus, same family as the jackfruit, Pada, Nangka, Palamuso, and so you have a lot of variety of arthrocarpus. But anyway, I think the reason why they have it called the jackfruit is basically when you cook in a certain way, it look like bread in consistency. So anyway, we're going to have this for breakfast. Okay, we need to get that outer skin out. Remember we had two yesterday, and we gave one to Zara's sister. I think they're doing the same thing for breakfast today. It's nice for breakfast or tea. It's basically we'll turn this into chips. So rather than having tuber for chips, we are using fruits. You notice there's a lot of liquid coming out, the sap. They said that, you know, when you get this succoon, try to keep them overnight also, because you need to get the sap settled. Okay. You need a sharp knife for this. If you look at that, that's the whole fleshy bit. It looks like bread, isn't it? Sort of. And these are the tiny seeds. Seeds are so tiny. Look at that. That's one seed. Okay, that's the seed. And these are all the fleshy bit. So we're going to have this one rather thin, and that we make our crisp bit or chips. If you make it thin and you fry it, it become very crunchy and crispy. And this one here, what I do is I make it more like a thicker bit like this. Okay. Hey, how you doing? Want to say good morning? Come here, come here. Hello. That's Raphael. Okay. Oh, gosh, I should have not done that one like that. Okay, I think that's enough for our breakfast. And we shall go to the kitchen. I think we just have to make sure that it's got separated. Each slice. One thing about breadfruit, you cook them when they're still green. You fry them when they're still green. If they're ripened, it's basically useless. When it's ripened, it's a bit too aromatic and too soft. So you can't fry it. It's useless. You can't make into juice or anything like that. But then again, I can be mistaken because this is the only way that we know how to cook them. Just fry them. I remember when I was young, we do cook them as ingredient for cake when they are ripened. But I never liked the very strong flavor and aroma of the breadfruit when they're ripened. You can coat this with flour and batter, so it becomes more crunchy on the outside and a bit bready on the inside. But I think this morning I just want to make a very simple one. Just fry them like that. That, would you like to have one? Okay, next one. You like this one. This breadfruit. It's crunchy, isn't it? Took it yesterday from a tree. I have to climb up a tree.
Are you sure you can climb?
For this one. Nice? Breadfruit. Sukun. Sukun. A breadfruit. Very nice. Yeah. Are we done? Are we done with this? Yeah. You don't want to cook it too long. It would be nice to have it's crunchy on the outside and very bready in the inside. Nice. What happened? It's nice, isn't it? Okay. Let's go back to our breadfruit. Want some more? Okay. Have another one. And meanwhile, I think this is cooked. Okay. Let's see. We have the chips. You can hear they're very crunchy. We got that very mild flavor of the breadfruit. The thinner you slice, the crunchier you get. It's a little bit thicker, so a bit, soft. But it's still good. Look at that. Okay. So that's the texture of the breadfruit. It tastes like bread. Okay, now will go well with butter. If we have bread and butter, let's try that. It's nice. I ran out of Marmite, but I think Bovril can be a substitute. That's my last bit of Bovril. I think I'm going to chuck the bottle away after this. Okay, that's the Bovril. Yep. I could live with that. How about? Hi, honey. Never tried this before,
Never tried this.
but it tastes nice. There's Aldi's on the side and say, how about our sambal? A lot of time I end up finish all of this on my own. And this is Ramli's special sambal, chili sambal. Let's try with this chips first. Okay. Try this. Oh, it's hot.
You forgot the pineapple.
We get the pineapple. Okay. Okay, guys. So let's wrap up our breadfruit for today. And
This so much. This so much.
Love it so much.
Okay, he's beginning to like it. Okay. Well, see you again. Bon appetito, and thanks to say bon appetito. Oh, and thanks to the Tyson family for allowing us to go to the farmhouse and the homestay, the Badul Homestay. Pick our own breadfruit, but we have to cook it at home.